Hello YouTube. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Soonsun 3-in-1 28 inch grip pole and tripod. I got this off AliExpress for 25 bucks Canadian. That's shipped. As you can see here, it comes with a grip, it comes with a phone mount, a screw, and a little bit of a lanyard. So far I own the original GoPro Shorty. I have a knockoff of the Shorty, which you've seen in another video. And between these two grips, I actually prefer the knockoff over the original GoPro Shorty. And there's a couple reasons for that. One is it is slightly sturdier in its base. So when it's standing like this, it's got less flex and wobble in it. But more importantly, when it is standing up, the pole doesn't seem to fall down or retract on its own, especially with a heavier camera like the Hero 7 in the Ulanzi case with the mic adapter. It's almost too much weight for the GoPro Shorty. So between the GoPro Shorty and the knockoff of the Shorty, I prefer the knockoff. Now in this case, with a Soonsun 3-in-1 pole, this is similar to the Fusion grip. That's the closest GoPro accessory that I think that this is trying to knock off. So let's open it up and take a look. You can see right in the back it's got a picture of the Fusion on it. So now, unfortunately, I don't own a Fusion. I'm going to be waiting for the second version of it to come out, and for 100 bucks, I'm definitely not going to be purchasing the Fusion grip to compare. But one of the reasons why I wanted a slightly bigger tripod grip was for when I'm out vlogging on one of my other YouTube channels. I find that if I'm sitting at a picnic bench in front of the lake or whatever, that the Shorty, either the original Shorty or the knockoff, doesn't give me enough height to be able to get a good headshot as I'm talking into the camera. So first impressions is it feels fairly solid. Okay, so it's got a locking feature. You give it a little twist and it seems to be locked into place, and that does seem fairly strong. Not sure how this opens up. It just kind of has a little bit of a clipping feel. Okay, so that's kind of weird. Doesn't appear that that these legs extend far enough down to actually work as a tripod with the pole fully detracted. So I think you gotta, it's kind of awkward. Okay, so extend it out a couple inches. Now let's try that again. Okay, with it extended out a couple inches, you then get the tripod feature, but right off the bat, I don't like that. I don't like how inconvenient that is. I know it just sounds like a slight extra step, but they should have really reduced the overall height of or length of the pole by a couple inches to accommodate for that, because that will be a bit of a pain. But all in all, it does feel very sturdy and very secure. So that is good to see. So what else does it come with? It comes with lanyard, comes with instructions, comes with a phone holder, a screw. So yeah, I'll swap it out for my knockoff Shorty here. Feels nice and secure. Camera doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. does add a little bit of weight to the setup. Yeah, that is very annoying. So based on first impressions, just because of the extended length of this pole, I do not recommend this grip. That is going to be a major annoyance to get it into tripod mode as quick as possible. But I am going to continue to use this for a couple weeks and see where it goes. See where it goes from there as my day-to-day vlogging setup. So I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and yeah, I'll have more GoPro videos coming up in the future. Thank you very much.